Would you look at this? Yes, there's a slight mess on the counter. Daddy will have to clean, but my baby just made this for me, for her dad. No, it's not the Polish flag with chocolate on it. It's supposed to be some anime character symbol or something, but I'm so proud of her. My goodness. I'll take a piece of this and then the rest will go home with her to her mom's house so the kids can eat it. Beautiful. Thank you and have a nice day. This never gets old. It's time to fish. Here we are. The ride up here, the sun came up, technically. It's not dark, you can't see stars anymore, but you know you're fishing when you come out to fish and you can see stars in the sky still. But it's starting to brighten up a little bit. Now we got the fog to contend with here. This little secret spot in Deerfield, or Deerfield River. So anything exciting happens today, we'll give you guys some pictures. But there we go. Day's starting out. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. All right.
Got this spot up here?
Yep. Yeah, you can see a little bit better now. Sun's coming up more. Still got a nice fog on the river. We got some nice color change going on. All the trees. Beautiful. Beautiful. See if we get any luck. There he is. Mr. Sweet on his waders. Out there on a little island. Yeah. How big is he?
Huh?
How big is he? Rainbow?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta come closer for me to get a picture of it. Whenever you get a chance, let me know. Oh. Here's Chris Sweet and his waders. Taking his fish for a fish walk instead of a dog walk. What you got there, buddy? What, rainbow?
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
Yeah, he's big enough for the frying pan. Alright, buddy, good job. Want to bring him up here, get a close-up? Well, we got something for the morning's effort.
It wasn't a complete waste of time.
Yeah, he's a nice size. Okay, we got it on camera.